Well, hey guys, you remember in class I told you I don't like to just give you formulas without having you understand them and sort of know where they came from. I didn't have time in class, though, to really show you how a Bernoulli differential equation can be converted into a linear differential equation by using a change of variables. So I'm actually going to derive it for you really quickly right here. Here's the change of variables, u equals y to the 1 minus n. And what you do to convert the Bernoulli equation to a linear one is you take that change of variables and you just differentiate both sides with respect to x. So when I take u prime, that's referring to the derivative with respect to x. Okay? So on the right-hand side, we're going to use the power rule. 1 minus n comes down times y to the negative n times y prime. Okay? So this is what we're going to end up with. If I want, I can solve that for y prime. Y prime becomes, well, on the left I have u prime. Y to the negative n, I'm going to write that as y to the n, and then I'm going to divide by 1 minus n. Okay? So let's take this Bernoulli equation, and where I see the y prime, I'm going to put in this new expression, which is u prime y to the n all over 1 minus n, and then plus p of x times y, all right, and then equals q of x times y to the n. All right, and what I can do is I can actually divide through by y to the n. If I divide through by y to the n, I'm going to get the following. P of x. If I divide by y to the n, that's the same as writing y to the 1 minus n power. Because I already have y to the 1, and if I divide by y to the n, it becomes y to the 1 minus n. And on the other side, I have q of x. Well, this right here is u, right? And if I multiply the 1 minus, if I just take the whole equation and multiply it through by 1 minus n, I am going to get exactly the formula in the box. So it's just that simple. It was not anything very long. Maybe I could have done it in class after all. But I just wanted to show it to you really briefly. You just take the change of variables, differentiate both sides, solve for y prime, and then substitute the findings into the differential equation on the left, and it eventually, just a little bit of algebra, gives you the linear equation over here. Okay, hope that makes sense, guys. Enjoy it, and I'll see you soon.